Hi guys, let me give you the most delicious recipe for fluffy, thick pancakes, which is so simple. First of all, put a pan onto a medium heat. Into a bowl, put 1 mug of milk, 1 mug of self-raising flour, white or wholemeal, and 1 lovely free-range egg. 1 pinch of sea salt and give a good whisk, and it will be a fairly thick, light batter. Lightly rub a pan with just a little butter, and then pour in enough batter to the size of the pancake that you want. When the batter's cooked around the edge and little holes have come to the surface of the pancake, have a little look under the pancake, and on the count of 3, a nice confident flip. As soon as it's turned, nice to give it another little rub with butter, and after 1 minute, you'll have a beautiful, fluffy, gorgeous pancake, ready to be taken sweet or savoury. So there you go guys, a foolproof fluffy pancake recipe. I hope you liked it. Until next time, bye!